What's going on?
Well, we were able to verify your alibi.
You did? That's good, right?
Sully, you're the most decorated soldier since the Vietnam War. You come from a family of soldiers and make a living giving speeches for the conservative right. And you've said it over and over. Paige was your best friend. Not your lover, your best friend. Coming from where you come from and being who you are, being a gay soldier, you didn't feel like you could tell anyone. But Paige knew, didn't she? Because she was your best friend. She knew you were gay, and you two had a deal.
You can't show this to anyone.
I need the name of the man you were kissing.
No. You can't show this tape. It can't have a name.
It's your alibi.
No. No. You can't tell anyone that I'm gay. I'm a hero.
The police have a warrant for your arrest. With all due respect, being gay is nothing compared to that.
No.
Sully.
No. No. I'm a hero. I honor the uniform.
Sully.
I honor the uniform.
Sully, look at me. This is who you are. Okay, this is your alibi. Let us help you.
Come on, Sully.
No.
You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can and will be used against you in a court of law.